Hey Simplies, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying Pattern Beauty products by Tracee Ellis Ross. Now, I don't know if you guys know who she is, but let me help you out a little bit. She played in the show Girlfriends, and that was one of my favorite shows back in the days. And just love her personality. I always admired her hair, how beautiful it was. Also, I want you guys to comment down below, if you watched the show Girlfriends, which girlfriend were you? I kind of feel like I'm a mix of Maya and Joan, you know? I feel like I had a mixture of both of them, like their personalities. But anywho, the reason why I wanted to try these products is because I'm all in support of black owned products. Number two, Tracee Ellis Ross has absolutely beautiful hair, and her products are specifically made for curly, coily textures. If you guys have been following me for a while, I'm a very big product hair junkie. So whenever I see new products that have dropped or are out, I always want to give them a try. Only because I feel like you can never have too many products, just like you can never have too much makeup, or you never have too many shoes or clothes, you know, you get the picture, right? When I seen that this line came out, I wanted to give it a try. I honestly haven't really bought anything in quite some time, and now that my hair is short, I definitely want to play around with different products just to see how it works with my short look. One thing I will mention about these products, they are a bit on the pricey side. So when I went on the actual website, I was looking to see which would work best for me. First, decided to go in with the leave-in conditioner because a leave-in is a must whenever you're doing any type of style. And I'm really big on wash and goes now, being that my hair is this length. A leave-in conditioner is very important to me because that will determine how my hair is being detangled, the moisture before I actually apply gel. So I really look for great conditioners that have a great amount of slip. I noticed that glycerin and aloe vera works really well for my hair. So it says to define and moisture, and I got the 9.8 ounce. For this, I paid $25, but she has 3 different sizes for each and every one of her products. So if you're working on a budget and you really feel like that's just too steep, my suggestion to you is just to go in with the 3 ounce. Especially if you don't know how it's gonna work for you. Basically like a little sampler. 25 ounce is, I believe, $40, and then the 3 ounce is $9. So then I wanted to try the Styling Cream Rich Moisture and Definition. You can use this for like braid outs, twist outs, but I'm gonna try to put it on top of the leave-in just to see how it works. This is a 3 ounce one, and I only paid $9 for this. So it says great for coily and tight textures. It's a buttery styling cream for superior moisture penetration. Great for twist outs, braid outs, and bantu knots. Next, I got the Curl Gel Shine, Define, and Hold, and this is the 3 ounce. You know, basic define and hold. But like I said, being that I'm big on wash and goes, gel is like the main key thing for me to give me the definition. It's the last and final like step to my hair. So I feel like if I don't have a good gel or a good if I don't have a good gel, then my hair won't give me the definition that I'm looking for. Sorry, my dog's, he's whining in the back. So for me, gel is really important, and it determines how my hair will turn out at the end. If I don't have a gel that gives me like good definition, then I feel like my hair is just trash. It's not giving me life, okay? Look for gels that are very like thick. It really helps to hold my hair. Being that I have low porosity hair, my hair has a hard time retaining moisture, so it gets dry fairly quick. So I need all the moisture that my hair can get. So I went in and I got the 15 ounce, and this one is a stronghold gel. I don't know if I'm gonna try the regular or the stronghold, but most likely I'll probably try this one. This one was about $25. So for the amount of money that I just spent on these products, it better give me a bomb wash and go. I was gonna do a braid out, but my hair is still kind of hard to braid in the back because of the length and the way I have it cut. So I'm probably just gonna do a regular wash and go. I'm gonna show you guys how I style it, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion. Before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you have tried Pattern Beauty products and how you liked it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and we're gonna jump right into the video. So right now, my hair is kind of damp. I basically just like co-washed it earlier this morning with Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. You guys know that's my staple product. Moisturizes and revives my curls. It just brings them back to life. And I put a little bit of leave-in, so being that my hair looks a little dry, the first thing I'm gonna do is I always separate my hair into 4s, and now I can't have to do 2s because it's shorter. And then I'm just gonna wet it with the spray bottle. It just has water in it. I find that products go on smoother when your hair is nice and saturated. Also, be sure to detangle your hair. I always have to make sure my hair is fully detangled. You don't want to smack a whole bunch of products on your hair and you have a whole bunch of knots and kinks and all of that. It'll just be a disaster. We're gonna try this leave-in conditioner. We're gonna see what the hype is about. I'm really big on smells. I mean, who doesn't want their hair to smell like flowers and candy? It makes me feel good when my hair looks good and it smells good, you know? You get what I'm saying? I can't really smell it. Here, you smell it. All good? I don't know what a dime size is because I put a lot. My hair is thick and it's dry. It smells nice. Nice consistency. Very slippery. So I'm just gonna start from the top and run my fingers through. I'm really big on finger detangling and raking my product through. I try to stay away from tools. There's nothing wrong with using like brushes and combs, but I find that I lose more hair when I use Denman brushes or combs. Now that my hair is shorter and I got rid of like a lot of dead hair, my hair is not shedding as much. Really creamy as I put it on. I'm able to like glide through. My hair is feeling nice and smooth. You know what this smells like? Like Suavitel fabric softener. Nice when you first pour it, but it's a bit strong. It's very strong, honestly. I ain't trying to catch nobody's headache doing this. I like to really focus on my ends. You know, our ends get really, really dry. So it's really important to moisturize them bad boys. It's going on really smooth, and honestly, my hair looks so hydrated. Normally when I put a leave-in in my hair, I can't really see definition until I really use the gel, but I mean, my curls look really defined and they look moisturized already. I'm gonna go in with the styling cream. I know that you can just use it for twist outs or whatever. My hair, like I said, is dry. The weather's starting to change here where I live, so it's starting to get a little bit cooler, and you know when it gets cooler, the hair starts to get really dry. Being that I do have color in my hair, I need that maximum moisture, okay? I can't miss no days off without moisturizing my hair. There's no, I'm not trying to hear that. So, it smells nice on a Sunday morning. Thick consistency. It's so easy to do my hair now that it's short. Less time, less stress. So I always start from the lower back. Normally, like I said, I section my hair off, but being that the back is shorter, it's 1, 2, 3. So I always start from here, and I usually take my finger and pull down another piece, rake it through to make sure that I coated it from the top of my scalp to the ends. This smell is not as strong as the leave-in, but you mess around and keep inhaling this, you're gonna wind up with a headache. All right, this is strong, y'all. Got allergies, you might wanna hold off on this. Okay, so last I'll be going in with the strong cold gel. This is nice. I mean, they all smell the same, but this, yeah, wow, look at this. This is this thick. Damn, look, it's not even plopping. Super thick. This just might be made for me. I like a thick gel. Start from the root, start from the back, and work my way to the front. I mean, I can't really see the back. What do you guys think? This gel smells like that cheap gel that was like $1 that you could get back in the days. It came in like the clear container. They made them in like, it was like green, different color gels, like the pink, the green. It kind of smells like that. Super thick. Y'all don't even want to know how thick this feels. I'm gonna just keep my mouth shut. I like the way my curls look so far. Gotta get them edges. Even if my hair is down, like my hair is facing down, you never know when you want to do a little flip. This always gotta be tamed. My hair looks super moisturized. Y'all see that? It looks like I have oil in my hair. Okay. Okay. Some people, they use like a Denman brush or the Tangle Teezer brush to, you know, work product through. I don't like to do that because I notice I get a crazy amount of shrinkage. And I'm already on the verge of, you know, my hair, my inches ain't there no more. So we're not gonna try to get any more shrinkage. On to the next side. So I gave you guys my 3 steps, and I'm just gonna repeat the same exact steps on this side. Okay, we are done here. So I mean, I'm feeling how it looks already. I just can't wait to see how it feels like when it's dry, because sometimes when I do a wash and go, depending on what products I use to my hair feels dry. It doesn't look full, it looks like limp. I have to kind of, I mean, I always pick it out anyway to make it bigger, but I look for definition and I look for moisture, shine, really. I don't care how long your hair is or how short your hair is. If you don't have moisture in it, it can really make your hairstyle look bad because it looks dry. And when your hair looks dry, it looks damaged. I'm here for the moisture. So far, I mean, it looks really good. I don't know how it's gonna look once it's dry. And I'm not about to sit on this camera while it dries, because y'all know, if you are low porosity, our hair takes forever and a day to dry. And I'm not gonna diffuse it or sit under a hooded dryer. I'm just gonna let it dry naturally just to see how it really works. And once my hair is fully dry, I'll come back on and give you guys my review and show you the results.
2 hours later.
Guys, so this is the final result. I like it. I don't love it. I feel like my hair is, I don't know. It feels moisturized and it doesn't give me like that hard gel cast feeling. I do notice a lot of shrinkage, but that's okay. Normally I stretch my hair after I style a wash and go, and the next day usually gives me more length and more volume. So we're gonna let that rock because it is first day hair. So overall, I do feel like my curls are very defined. My hair feels very lightweight, and I like that. It feels nice and flowy. You know how sometimes you can use a product in your hair and then after your hair feels really stiff and you don't really get that full movement. I like when my hair moves, like it blows in the wind. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so for the leave-in, I really like the leave-in. I love the consistency. It says it's paraben free, it's color safe, free of silicones. I don't know how to say that, PHC, whatever word, we're gonna leave that, and it's formula D, whatever, free. That's a plus because you always wanna be careful of silicones and parabens to your hair, being that it can dry the hair out. It says it's great for lasting hydration and definition, so I do feel like my hair does look very hydrated and I do have great definition, so I'm not complaining about that. I love the slip of the leave-in. It really glided on really, really smooth, and that's something that I look for when I'm using any type of conditioner to my hair. I look for that slip to make it easier for me when I am working a product through my hair. As for the butter cream, the butter styling cream for moisture penetration, great for twist outs, braid outs, like I said before. I didn't really care for the butter cream too much. I guess I have to use it separately when I am going for a braid out. So if you guys want to see how my hair looks trying it with a braid out, you can comment that down below. It didn't give me that slip. It didn't feel like it was moisturizing as I was applying it on top of the leave-in. Maybe because the leave-in was so bomb that I don't know what the case may be, but that wasn't my favorite. That was my least favorite product. This gel it's flexible, strong hold, provides long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Now, once I seen that, I said this is definitely a winner, because y'all know we struggles with our edges. I know that's like the first thing to go. When you pull or you manipulate or whatever the case may be, we'd be scared to put our hair back in the bun because the next day the edges is gone. It says it's infused with sea moss, which is very good for overall everything in the body. Aloe vera, which is, you know, your girl has to have aloe vera. Definitely works well with low porosity hair. It hydrates it and it sticks and it holds on to the strands. I think this would also be great if you did a slick back ponytail and you really want to, you know, do any type of pull or updo. I love how it went on. My hair was very smooth. My hair didn't feel like it was like too heavy or clumpy. Not really getting that same shine that I saw before my hair fully dried. Like I said, it's the first day, so sometimes the first day don't really do you no justice. It's just what it is. You gotta wait 24 hours to let the hair really set, let the product set, and you know, pick it out. Or sometimes you may have to add oil. I think that the products are really good. I think that if you have really dry hair, this would work really well, especially the leave-in. The leave-in was my favorite. I don't really love it. I feel like I've had better wash and goes, but we'll see maybe tomorrow once I don't know. When you first open the products, the smell has a really nice floral fabric softener smell. It was a bit irritating to my nose and my sinuses, but once I started working it through, and now that my hair is dry, the smell is not unbearable. It's okay, because I got scared. I was like, listen, I'm not trying to be walking around with a headache all day. Curls looking right, head hurting. That's just not gonna work. You guys let me know what you think down below of my results. I don't think the pricing matches the outcome of my results, and maybe it's just my hair, but the prices are a little steep for the way my results. I was hoping for better results. Another good thing that I noticed is that I didn't experience any flaking. Sometimes when you mix products together, like a leave-in with a gel, I know my biggest issue is my staple product is the Eco Styler, the olive oil one. And a lot of times I try different leave-ins, and when I mix it with the gel, I get flakes, and then I look like I have to wash my hair. No crunchy feeling. I just wish that I had a little bit more shine, but maybe it's just my eyes today. I don't know. And overall, I think these products were okay. They didn't wow me. They're not like, oh my God, will I try them again? Absolutely. And if you have the same type of texture, I believe I'm a 3C4A, but don't quote me because I still don't know the whole porosity thing like that, but I'm pretty sure I'm like a 4A. If you have the same texture or curl pattern like me, I definitely recommend you go and try the leave-in conditioner. I definitely think it will work really well for this type of texture. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see any more hair reviews on my channel, all you got to do is comment down below some hair products you want me to review and try, and I will definitely do that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can become a Simply. Don't forget to click that bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.